Another of my quick little silly videos. This is an Audio-Technica. What is this called? M50 headphones? Well, I bought these on eBay for $15. This is like a $130 set. Now, what I noticed was the guy wrapped it in duct tape because the thing pretty rapidly deteriorates. But what they don't realize is underneath here, this factory stuff, this is not duct tape, that's the factory, or it peels right off. Right off. You roll it right off. And it's actually a nice cover under here that people don't realize. You could still actually buy an Audio-Technica cover. So right now, I'm in the process of peeling this. He used some good duct tape, I'll tell you that. But at the same time, look, all the Audio-Technica stuff is coming off with it. So it's actually doing most of the peeling for me. I just hope it doesn't peel off the material. But even so, you could buy a replacement pad and you have yourself a beautiful headphone. It's a shame that this guy did this with the tape, but he didn't realize that he could peel this thing off. I did not put this here. So, let's see. It's almost done, too. Almost done. And, you know, if I choose not to get the padding, which I won't do, I'm going to get the padding because I like the way the padding felt. As long as I didn't ruin this underneath, which I didn't yet. Now look. Okay? Now, there's your factory Audio-Technica. Like, that's part of it, see? But look, it comes right off. Comes right off. Just like that. And you have left, once you peel all this off, you have left a very nice finish. It's a nice, cushiony, squared off finish. So you clean it out nicely. And you know, you'll have yourself get all of it because it'll end up in your hair. It comes off like butter. It really comes off easy. I'm actually surprised you look at that. See? So now, if I choose, oh God, I gotta flip it. If I choose not to replace it, I don't even have to. Here's the old stuff on the floor. See, you can see the C from Audio-Technica. And that's what it comes out like. I don't think it's horrible, right? So for $15 and 3 seconds worth of duct tape that I peeled off, what the guy did made it look horrible. I got a nice set of headphones. And yes, before I wasted my time, I tested it. They work beautifully. Very happy. So like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my videos. And some of them are doggy approved. Right, Lightning? Woof! He agrees. Dog approved.